What keeps a cooling system comfortable, efficient, and safe through the year? Regular air conditioner maintenance helps prevent rising energy use, unexpected breakdowns, and expensive repairs. It also supports cleaner air and longer equipment life. Air conditioner maintenance is the routine inspection, cleaning, testing, and servicing of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning cooling systems. These systems work hard every day, so dirt, wear, and neglect can reduce efficiency quickly. A proper process helps maintain cooling output, air quality, reliability, and electrical safety. Air filters are checked, cleaned, and replaced to support airflow and air quality. Condenser and evaporator coils are cleaned to remove dirt and corrosion. Refrigerant pressure is verified and leaks are checked, while drain lines are cleared to prevent mold and water damage. Maintenance also includes electrical component inspection, thermostat and controls testing, and a general system performance review. Loose connections, damaged wires, and voltage levels are checked for safe operation. Final testing reviews cooling output, airflow, and any unusual noise or vibration so remaining issues can be caught early. Regular servicing helps identify small issues before they become costly repairs. Dirty filters can restrict airflow and reduce cooling efficiency. Refrigerant leaks can strain the system. Frozen coils can result from restricted airflow or low refrigerant, and electrical failures can make operation unsafe and unreliable. eAuditor Audits and Inspections turns maintenance into a digital workflow. Ready-to-use templates support consistent procedures, while mobile inspections let technicians complete checks on site. Photo evidence, cloud record storage, automated reports, and corrective action tracking improve accuracy, access, communication, and follow-through. Consistent maintenance means cleaner operation, better reliability, and lower repair risk. Practical steps include cleaning or replacing filters regularly, scheduling seasonal inspections at least twice a year, keeping outdoor units free from debris, watching for unusual noises or odors, and addressing small issues immediately. Combined with digital inspections, this approach supports lower costs, better comfort, and longer equipment life.